All right, we're back in it. Working in Love and Lua. Trying to make a role-playing game from basically scratch. Not completely scratch. Because we do have some helper functions for sure. But anyway, let's see where we left off. So it looks like right here. I had to run away because my eyes were burning. Thank you, Pollen. So the event queue is not running. Pop front. It's possible pop front's not working. Let's see if we get anything there. Let's do. What's wrong? Why? There we go. That's saying event is nothing. So let's do it down here. For some reason, we're never getting anything from event. Oh man. It looks like the events, it is working in some capacity. See, we're not getting that print now. Thank you, allergies. All right. So it's running. Looks like the timer's not waiting though. Maybe that's why. Doesn't need. That should work. Yep, that was the problem. All right. We're getting somewhere. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. When we do that, we also need to hide the menu. I thought I had that. But... All right. So our loop is working. Obviously, it's not a very interesting loop, but it's happening. Things are happening. Let's improve this. So like. And here we do like if all players submitted actions, we do that. So the enemy action really basic. Just so you can see how the flow's working. See how they take turns. I'll run it again. Player attacks, enemy attacks. All right. So it's not super interesting, but we can see that the queue works, right? It's running through those actions. And looks good. Let's see. So we need to make battle actor data. Do they need their own scripts? I don't know. Don't want to do it that way. No, screw that. I'm a little bit tired. Let's get rid of that. And then improve this. We need name, HP. That's all they're going to have for now. And well, we can just do this. So probably just make a data and just do this. So I'll do like enemies equals table. Purple goo. And 2 HP. Man, my brain's a little bit fried. So data, enemies, 1. Purple goo. Just see what happens there. Not too many parentheses. Alright, 1, 2. I don't think we're applying damage anymore. Something like that. We can load in the party. So we get the party and do like that. Enemy. Something like that. There we can see it's being printed out. So the problem is that this event queue, it's just printing the text. It's not actually, like, there are no actions happening. So we need to fix that. And effectively, what we want to do, because this isn't really sustainable. We're going to have the player and the action, then target. Okay, so target. The action. If we load from battle queue, I think the battle queue should have this. So we're going to have local, no, not local. That's going to be self dot. We're going to do this. So we have like Fight. I don't know if that'll work. But I'm essentially trying to create an enumerator. And so in battle, what I want to try and do is action equals. I actually load that from there. Fight. So we're sending that through. Let me cut that. I'll come back and fix that. We just kind of do that. Then we run it. This if so. That's fine. So actor equals event 1, action equals event 2, target equals event 3. Here we do if action equals actions dot fight, then active. And this is now going to be actor, target. And so eventually we need to get heal hurt. And battle line 45. Let's see. Got to close that. Global actions a nil value in the battle queue. Try self. Dot action stuff. All right, really cool. So it's working. Get the heal hurt value. So we're gonna do the heal hurt. It's gonna be target health heal hurt. Just -1 for now. We need to clear up some space here. I don't think I need that right now. So health. Return 0. Here we want to return value. And value equals that. Oh. I think we have to do string value. Something like that. Let's see if that works. Yeah, it's probably toString. Yeah. Value x. And equals so we just want the absolute. All right, cool. So when the heal hurt happens, we want our enemy to flash. So now we're not calling heal hurt on the enemy, we're calling it on its data, which I think is okay. Because the enemy is just a representation of the data that it holds. So this won't ever get called. Instead, this is going to be let's see, maybe down at the bottom. Signal.register. I think that's how we do it. Take a look at our health component. So actually it's just doing the HP and the HP max. That's okay for now. I guess we can get rid of it. We'll leave it for now. No, we do need value change, so I have to calculate that. So we can omit that. We'll use this and like if then we do this. And get rid of that. So now, since we're connected, we should see that hit effect happen. Okay, it's not working. Let's see if this is getting called. It is, but it's in the wrong direction. So it needs to be, yeah. HP previous. There we go. And if we look at the enemy, maybe that hit effect is a little bit too long. Do 3/4 of a second. Maybe even half a second. we can see they're disappearing. I didn't even realize I... Oh, here we go. Yeah, it was right there. Cool. So that's pretty neat, seeing everything come together like that. There's no one to attack, but fighting nonetheless. I'm pretty wiped, so I think we're just going to leave it there and have a quick video. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you next time.